Hi, my name is Michał and I am Customer Care Specialist at Soldevello. In this video I will show you everything you need to know about test cases in the QAlity Plus app. We'll start with the test case overview. Then I will show you how you can create your test cases, and the last point will be about linking your test cases to your Jira issues. Now let's get to the main topic of this video, test case overview. Keeping testers close to the whole team is not an easy task. With QAlity Plus test management for Jira, it's no longer difficult and the test cases are easily accessible to everybody. It is possible because the test case is in fact a Jira issue. Take a look at my board. You will notice that there are some Jira issues with the magnifying glass icon. These are test cases and everybody in your team can open them to see the test data. Let's open one. As you can see, the test case looks exactly like a typical Jira issue. For example, you can add labels, assignee, custom fields, etc. But there's one difference. If you scroll down, you will find test management containing test steps and expected results. As a tester, you would probably like to see a little bit more information. Choose the detail view to see the test data and test attachments. As you can see, there is also information about the last execution, when it was done and what's the execution status. In my case, the execution was done on 3rd of January 2024 and the status is passed. You can also display the whole execution history of this test case by choosing Show Execution History. You can quickly find out what happened during the last executions. You can see when the execution was created, who executed it, what's the execution result, comments, if it was executed within any test cycle or ad hoc, and if there was any bug found during the execution. But let me go back to our test case. Of course, you can easily execute your test case from this view, but this is a topic of another video that should appear right now on the upper right corner of your screen. For now, please stay with me because we are moving to the next point, which is creating test cases. Let's assume we have a certain task to complete, but we want to test something first. QAlity Plus allows you to add a test case to an other Jira issue in a very comfortable way. This is our task to complete. We want to take a test first. As you can see, there is a QAlity Plus icon. Choose it to display QAlity Plus test management. Once it appears, you can add your test cases. Please notice that you are actually creating a new ticket because test case is another type of Jira issue. So now it's ready, meaning you can start adding your test steps. Please follow me while I am doing it. When it comes to the information you are adding, there is a possibility to make visual adjustments. For example, you can make your text bold or italic. You can add the bullet point list and paste links. When it comes to the attachments, you can add images, GIFs, or videos, and they will be visible in the test management. You can also add some other documents like Excel file, but notice that there won't be a preview. Still, you can download a file if it's needed. To add an attachment, you can drag and drop your file, paste it, or do it in the traditional way by finding and choosing from your folders. You can move between fields via keyboard shortcuts. Tap to move to the next field. Shift and tap to return to the previous field. Drag and drop your test steps in case you would like to change the order. Click on the three dots to clone the test step. For example, if you need to perform the step multiple times with different test data, or you can also delete your test step. If you prefer adding your data in the wider screen, that's possible by choosing the full screen mode. If you want, you can add more test cases to this ticket. You can also create a test case just by clicking on the Create Jira Issue button. In case you would like to use the same test case, but maybe with slightly different test steps, you don't need to waste your time adding a new test case. The test case can be cloned like any other Jira issue. Let me show you how you can do that. As you can see, the test case has been cloned. And now, for example, I can change the order of my test steps for this specific execution. Let's move to the last point in this video: linking test cases. You know that the same set of test steps has to be used for another task. What you can do is linking a test case to your task. Go to the task to which you want to attach your existing test case. Choose the link option and select is test by. Find your test case and link it. After refreshing this Jira issue, the test case and its test steps will be visible. You can now make some changes or start your execution straight away. Isn't that great? That's all in this video. Thank you for watching it. In the next video, we will show you all about the test case repository. You can learn more about QAlity Plus test management for Jira by watching other videos that we have prepared for you on this playlist. Share your thoughts in the comment section. If you have any questions, feel free to contact us. You will find the link in the description down below. See you in the next video.